West Washington. Heather Graff, ABC 7 News.
Look forward to your report tonight, Heather. Thanks. Well, right now you can help the victims of Hurricane Michael. This is just a snapshot of the work the Salvation Army is doing to help feed and house people who literally have lost everything. If you'd like to donate, you can go to WJLA.com. Our company is matching the first $25,000 in donations, and Salvation Army really does have an army, a sea of people down there to help, and they're going to need so much help down there for a long time to come.
Very long time. Well, around here, the story is about a temperature drop that we're looking forward to. Yeah. Or maybe you're not looking forward to.
Well, I guess it depends. Yeah, definitely sweater weather. I think we're going to go past that. We're going to go to jacket weather coming up in just a little bit. But look at a beautiful shot there. You can kind of see it behind you. I want to show you. This is from our roof here. There's the sun going down, just cresting over the horizon there.
Beautiful.
You got technically, you got, what, 6-7 minutes until that sun officially sets in the western sky. We'll use it as our backdrop and show you our numbers are going down. We have 66 now at Reagan National. Gaithersburg already into the 50s. 63 in Manassas. Got some low 60s from Dulles over to Ocean City. And the wind still a little breezy. But as they calm down, you combine that with the clear skies, the dry air, all that is a recipe for these temperatures to drop off rather quickly tonight. Already 53 in Elkins, 52 around Pittsburgh. It's 68 right now in Richmond. Things are pretty quiet. I mean, you saw the live shot there. A lot of sunshine, at least for now, with clear skies tonight. The showers are up to the north. That's where the cold front itself is. And as we go through the night tonight, it's going to drop down, but all the moisture is going to stay to the north. I do not expect any rain in our area at all. Breeze is calm. Tomorrow morning, much less windy. It will go 10, maybe 15-mile-per-hour gusts, but they're not going to be around through the day. In fact, tomorrow, a gorgeous day. Like today, a lot of sunshine out there. It will be a cool day, quite a bit cooler than today, where we are up into the upper 60s to near 70 in a lot of spots, some spots over 70. Tomorrow, like mid-50s, so you're going to notice that. And then by tomorrow night and into Friday morning, with, again, the clear skies, a high temperature only in the 50s, that is going to allow those temperatures to tank, and consequently, we have widespread areas with the winter weather advisories. This shade here is a frost advisory, the light blue. The dark blue, like purple color, that is a freeze warning that's in effect. That does include the Blue Ridge Mountain and back over to sections of the mountains to our west. And then this shade here is the freeze watch, and this is for places like Frederick County, Maryland, Washington County, you folks back around Hagerstown and heading back to the west. That is for tomorrow night and into Friday morning, that freeze watch in effect. So for tonight, we're going to say temperatures into the 50s. It will be cool, not cloudy. It'll be cool. Tonight, clear and cold, a little bit breezy with the temperatures. Mid-40s in the metro area, outlying spots into the 30s, and then look at this, 54 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, not a t-shirt and shorts kind of day by any means. And then we get into the weekend. Our next cold front comes in on Saturday. That brings us off and on showers in the form of rain on Saturday. The fact that I have to say in the form of shows you we're getting closer to winter. 54 degrees on Sunday. The game looks dry but breezy and chilly, guys.
All right, Bill, thank you. Now, a story that went viral on the WJLA TV Facebook page. How many rubber bands does it take to make a pumpkin explode? John, any guesses?
4,732.
All right, let's find out.
220.
Oh, there we go. Well, there's the answer, 220. Our sister station in Nashville.
So close.
Give or take a few thousand.
They had a lot of time on their hands today, didn't they?
They ran this experiment. 90,000 people watched this video and waited for the big moment. You can watch it and share it now on our Facebook page.
90,000 people took the time to watch a pumpkin.
I have a few may try that at home too.
That's on my list of stuff to do with the pumpkin now. All right. You know what? I think Dallas is in trouble.
I agree. I think the Redskins are going to do it this week. And also, DC United in action. You can expect a playoff atmosphere for United. Plus, the Redskins were minus a few key players at practice today. We're going to tell you who and why next.
In the Senate, I work to keep all Virginians safe. I'm Tim Kaine. I help lead efforts to grow our Navy to 355 ships and increase troop pay. But Corey Stewart said this about that budget bill.
Just an absolute nightmare and a disaster. I wish the president had vetoed it.
That would hurt Virginia and threaten our security. I approve this message because keeping America safe has to be a top priority.
My dental problem started as a child, had a lot of cavities.